Nokia, once the king of mobile phones, has fallen behind due to the rise of the iPhone. However, its brand is still widely trusted and recognized. HMD Global, the manufacturer of Nokia phones, is aiming to make self-repair easier for Nokia models. The company's self-repair initiative empowers users to fix their own phones, extending their lifespan and reducing electronic waste. The easier it is to repair a device, the longer you can keep it, which is better for both the planet and your wallet. This aligns with Polartech's mission to provide a comprehensive range of spare parts and repair guides for all smartphone models. Power off and remove the SIM tray. Let's start today's disassembly. I can't wait to see the inside of the Nokia X30. The phone has a conventional sandwich structure. The first and most difficult step is to remove the back cover glass. Let's try using a suction cup first to see if we can open a gap. It's glued on very well. So this is where our magic heating pad comes in handy. Heat it up with the magic heating pad. Use a safety blade to pry open a gap in the back cover. Then insert the disassembly card and slide it around the edge. You can see that the flash is glued to the lens protection cover. Remove the cover screws. Disconnect the battery connector. Remove the charging port cover and the speaker next to it. There is an NFC coil sticker on the battery. The battery has a quick release design. Pull up the plastic film. We tried it. It's still quite tight. Drop a few drops of alcohol. Use a spudger to gently pry it up, and it came up quickly. If you need to replace the battery, the new battery usually does not come with an NFC coil. We tried to remove it. It is very sticky. Drop a few drops of alcohol. Be very careful. A little force may tear the coil. Next, remove the motherboard. There is a fixing screw on the motherboard. Don't forget. There is a circle of white latex around the earpiece, which is probably used for waterproofing. In our previous repair experience, we often see iPhone phones that are stuck in the logo and restart infinitely due to water entering the earpiece. Nokia is really thoughtful. There are 3 more screws in the lower half to fix the SIM card slot board and the charging port cable. Remove them, and you can remove the board and the tail plug. Nokia's self-repair initiative makes it easier and more cost-effective to repair common phone issues. The use of fast-release adhesives and modular components simplifies the repair process. Polartech plays a crucial role in providing access to genuine spare parts for Nokia phones. Polartech, as a one-stop technology warehouse, is committed to providing a comprehensive selection of spare parts for all smartphone models. With its extensive inventory and user-friendly website, Polartech empowers individuals to make repairs at home, reducing electronic waste and extending the life of their smartphones. Nokia's self-repair initiative, coupled with Polartech's extensive spare parts availability, makes it easier than ever for individuals to repair their Nokia phones, promoting sustainability and extending the lifespan of these devices. Thanks for watching.